Hey guys, it's been a while since I posted a video, but I'm going to show you how to repair your window switch, your driver's window switch on a 3000 GT or a Dodge Stealth. Either one works. Sorry for the lighting. What you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and remove the 4 screws. You got this one, second one, a third one, and this is the 4th one right here. Basically, you just unscrew the 4 and we'll take the cover off. It's very easy. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and remove the 4 screws and show you the next step. Alright, you can see I got the 4 screws loose. Basically, you should just lift right up. Might give it a little shake. And you're going to see you have all your contacts on there. Basically, what we're going to do is clean each one individually. And that's usually, you can tell, is when you hit the buttons. Sometimes the windows don't go up or down. You have to hit them multiple times. Well, it's probably just the contacts are either corroded or sometimes they get a little burnt. You can see on this one, what we're going to do is just lift up on this tab. It should just pop right off of there. You can see that one's real shiny. And then that one's kind of discolored. It's black underneath. I don't know if I can show you. It's gonna clean most of that off. Even this other side. Let's see. Right about there. That's pretty good. It's nice and shiny. But still, we'll clean it. Basically, you could use rubbing alcohol. But what I'm gonna do is actually use the point on the flat screwdriver and just scrape all that corrosion off. Basically, you just want to scratch all of it off of there. Just keep working it. Get it shiny and take your finger. You can rub most of it. Just continue scraping it. You can already see it's already getting most of the corrosion and just burnt material off of there. I mean, you can go one step further, get a Q-tip and put some rubbing alcohol on it after you're done scraping it. You could even get the other contact even though it doesn't need it. But you keep cleaning that side. Basically, where's that? Go on to the next contact here. Take that off. Now you can see that this bottom one's pretty clean, but it's this top one that's already corroded. So you could probably do the same thing there. Is scrape most of it off. You just want to go back and forth. And it's getting shinier. Kind of hard to hold the camera and scrape all this at the same time, but you kind of get the ideal here. You just wipe it off with your thumb. And you just keep scraping. Get it shiny again. And then here's the contact. Here's the bottom side. You can see there's just a little bit we can scrape off there. And that's what I like to do also. If you could set it down and then scrape most of that off too. It'll be hard to show you here in the video, but you just scrape most of that off too, and get it back shiny again. You know, just scrape it left and right. Yeah, it's coming back together. And then you would actually get this other side too, and basically you would just turn it back, set it right back in the middle, and then you go on to these two also. All these pop off. You can see that one's pretty good shape, probably won't need any cleaning, but I would still clean it, scrape it off. That one's the same condition too. This I don't mess with. That's just the window lock. There's hardly any corrosion. This will be your lock system, and then your basically windows up and down here and there. You just replace the tab. I don't know what I did with it, but I'll find it. But basically once you're done, you just reassemble it. You just want to slap it back together. Just go right over here, and you might have to move these back and forth to get it aligned to sit in properly, kind of like that. And then you just screw your 4 screws down and slap it back together, see if it works. It should fix your window issues, you know, if you have trouble with them going up and down. But that's basically it. It's nice and simple. Fixed my issue, you know, saved a lot of money. Thank you. You all have a good day.